एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज मैं बात करने वाली हूँ आइजर पुणे फर्स्ट राउंड ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू व्हिच वाज scheduled as 22nd of April at 10:30 a.m. which is just after 2 days of GAT-P exam. So I entered the Zoom meeting at 10 a.m. but मुझे 11 o'clock तक वेट करना पड़ा. Then I entered the Zoom meet and वहाँ पे 2 प्रोफेसर्स प्रेजेंट थे और इंटरव्यूअर्स प्रेजेंट थे. First of all, I greeted them with good morning and all, and then they asked me to introduce myself, like what is my qualification and all, and have I done any workshops, internship or not. There is a disclaimer that it's very important to have any sort of experience, any internship, any skill-based experience or any lab experience or any fellowship kind of thing to have a plus point at interviews, especially for integrated PhD. बट इंटरव्यूज ऑल्सो वेरी मेजर पार्ट, बट फिर भी आपके पास कोई सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस होने से आपका थोड़ा प्लस पॉइंट हो जाता है, जो मेरे पास नहीं था. एंड आई रिग्रेट बट आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दैट एज वेल नाउ. So after introducing myself and telling them that I don't have any such prior experience, but I have visited some labs for like from my college, so I told them the experience. After that, they asked me what is your subject of interest, and I told them it's molecular biology. Then they asked me why molecular biology and what what majorly you like in molecular biology, what is your major focus. So I answered cancer biology. Then they asked me questions related to cancer, and first they asked me what are the causes of cancer. I answered them mutation or any activation of proto-oncogenes and all. And they asked me questions on mutation. How can you tell that there is a mutation present in that area, in a particular area in a gene? So these type of small questions were asked, which are very basic. Then they asked me what are the characteristics of cancer cell, and I answered the loss of contact inhibition and angiogenesis properties and all. I answered them, but I felt like they were not satisfied with my answer, maybe because lack of the confidence from my side. So I will try to improve that. And next I was asked a question, what do you understand by a buffer? And I answered that the buffer is some solution which can maintain the pH of a particular solution whenever a small quantity of acid or base is added. Then they asked me, is every solution or every combination of a can be a buffer or not? Then I answered that no, it can't be, because a buffer is a solution made up of from a weak acid and its conjugate base, or weak base and its conjugate acid. After that also I didn't feel like that they were satisfied with me. Then they asked me how can a buffer manage the pH of a solution if any sort of acid or base is added. I told them that they will, if an acid is added, the base will donate its OH minus and maintain the pH. And then if any base is added, the H plus ions will maintain that, but it should be in small quantity. But still they were not satisfied. Then next question was, what do you understand by pH? After that, they asked me, how can you say that a pH, how a pH affects a protein? Basically, this was the main question. I told them that it denatures the protein if the pH is not optimal according to the protein. And they asked me, what do you mean by denatures the protein? I told that it can lead to misfolding or unfolding of the protein, or it can affect the ionic or the hydrogen bonds present in the protein, but still they were not satisfied. So majorly basic questions was asked in the interview. Maybe because of lack of confidence from my side, they didn't like my interview, so I was not selected for the second round. But I will work hard for the upcoming interviews at IISc Bangalore and other institutes. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.